So this photo, we are going to convert it in this way. Okay. So let's see how we are going to do it. So first thing, just select the photo and I'm going to remove the car out of it. Okay. This is one single photo. I'm removing the car out of it using magic grab feature. Okay. Click on the photo, click edit photo and click on magic grab. Yes. So now we have removed the car out of it. Very simple, right? We have removed the car out of it, background device. Okay. So very nice. So let me expand a little bit. Okay, so now I don't like the blue color. Let me change it to some other color. So what can be done? Very simple. Click on the photo, click on edit photo, click on adjust. Okay. And when you scroll down, you could see the color edit. Okay. Click on the dominant bright red blue color and you can play with the hue here, this is basically the hue saturation slider, which we have it in Photoshop. This is there in Canva as well. So just slide it. I just want a bright orange or red kind of thing. So yeah, let me just click it here and then play with the saturation. I need some. So let me expand the background to the so that it fits the entire screen. So let me click the background and click on edit photo and magic expand. Okay, click on magic expand and I want this photo to be there for a full page. So I'll click on full page. Fine, so Canva has done a pretty good job. I like, of course, here there are so many clutters and this is better. This is much better, right? This is much more better. Let me see what is the one more option which Canva has got. Okay, so this is much cleaner and yeah, compared to all four, I like this. So if you are still not convinced with the results, click on generate new results. You'll get another four results out of it. But if I'm okay, I'm convinced with this, and I click on done. Okay, right. So now the background is filled for the entire screen. So now let's make it more very specific. I don't want this tower in my background. It is disturbing thing. So it is disturbing my views attention. So let me click on it, the photo, click on edit photo, and let me click on magic eraser. Okay, and let me make the brush size bigger. Okay, and all. Canva needs some time for this and let's wait. Pretty good job in removing all the unwanted things. So this look pretty nice. And let me take down this as well. Yeah. This again not so disturbing, but let me do it. Okay, let's make it very clean. Yes, pretty nice, very clean. So you can imagine how the photo was earlier and what we have done. Very nice. So let me go back. Yeah. So now this is very clean. Okay. Very clean photo. So let me Basically, now I'll do some tweaks here and there. At first, let me add some shadows. Okay, I think so. This will have some pretty good for shadows. Let me add the shadows as well. Let me add the specific shadows below the wheel as well to make it more realistic. Maybe it's light. So I just want to group everything. So I'll click on position, layers, okay, all the shadows. And I click on Control G, which is a group. Okay. So I'll tell you the reason why I'm doing this. Okay. So now, yes, this is fine. Now let me add some text. Okay. All new. A random text you can create. You can write your own. Okay. Just writing my own. So let me do some beautification. The background photos as well. I'll make it nice black. Keyboard. Second. And let me add some more effects. I'll add the sparking factor over here. This is not nice. So I think so. Now it's time to add some final animation. Yeah, a simple animation. Nice. One second, let me take position. Yeah, this one. So very simple animation is ready. Yeah, very nice, right? Yeah. So now we have just taken a photo, okay, and we have changed this to this. So how much time did it take? Hardly 10 minutes. So a simple thing, simple animation, okay, and we have just taken a photo. So to sum it up, we have taken this photo, just this blue color photo. We have taken this photo. At first, we have used magic grab to remove the car out of it. Okay. So let me tell you what all we have used. At first, we have used magic grab to remove the car out of it. Then we have selected the background and we have clicked on magic expand to fit the image to the complete screen. Okay. And then we have used the magic eraser to remove the unwanted things. And then we have done some color edit in the car. We have changed the blue color to the orange color using hue saturation filter, color edit filter. And finally, we have added some text, some additional effects and made it into a subtle GIF animation has been done.